Hello guys, welcome back to Upgrade. So I am Prashant. So today we know how to calculate the degree of static indeterminacy of beam, frame and trusses. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. Degree of static indeterminacy. So this is also known as the degree of redundancy. The word redundancy means extra or not needed. Okay. So this is used to determine the number of unknown forces in a structure. Okay. For example, so let this is the propped cantilever beam, and this extra support is called as redundant. Okay. So basically we don't need this support. So that's why it is considered as the redundance. So that is extra unknown redundant. And then the formula for calculating the ds, so that is number of unknown forces minus number of known forces. Here the unknown forces are external and internal reactions, okay, and the known forces are released reactions, okay. So that is RR. Mathematically it is represented as ds equal to dsc plus dsi. Okay. Now we see some formulas to calculate the ds for beam, frame and truss. So first go through rigid structure. 3m plus r minus 3j minus rr. This is for 2D structure, and 6m plus r minus 6j minus rr. So this is for 3D structure. Now coming to pin joint structure. So the formula is m plus r minus 2j. This formula used for 2D structure, and m plus r minus 3j. So this formula is used for 3D structure. Some shortcut formulas are there to calculate the ds. So that is ds equal to dsc plus dsi. So now we know what is dsc and what is dsi. dsc means external indeterminacy. So the formula is support reactions minus available equation. So support reaction, so that is r, and available equation, so equilibrium equations are 3. So that is summation of vertical forces equal to 0, summation of horizontal forces equal to 0, and summation of moments equal to 0. So these are the 3 equilibrium equations. This is used for 2D structure, and r minus 6. So this is for the 3D structure. And coming to DSI, the formula is 3c minus RR. So this is for 2D structure, and 6c minus RR. So this is for 3D structure, where C is closed loops. So we have to identify in the question how many number of closed loops are there, and RR is nothing but released reactions. So this is brief introduction about degree of static indeterminacy and formula used for calculating the ds. So reaction. So basically we have two types of reaction. So that is external reaction and internal reaction. So external reactions which acts at the support, so maybe a fixed support, hinge support, or any kind of support. So internal reactions are arises in the member only. So okay, so now we see some types of supports. So the first one is fixed support. So fixed support in a 2D structure have 3 reactions. So that is vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and the movement. So it have 3 reactions, okay. In a 3D structure it have 6 reactions. So now going to hinge. So hinge have 2 reactions only, vertical and horizontal. So that is 2 in 2D structure and 3 in 3D structure. And coming to roller, roller have only one reaction, so that is vertical reactions. So in a 2D also it have one, and in a 3D also one reaction. Some other types of supports are there. So that is combined support or hybrid support. So that is the first one is horizontal guided roller. So it have 2 reactions, so that is ry and mz. So that is y direction and z direction, that is movement, okay. And vertical guided roller, so this have 2 reactions, so that is rx and mz. So this is all about reactions. So now we know released reactions. So this will release us only internal reactions by providing the external reactions, okay. So the formula for to calculate the released reaction, so that is rr equal to summation of m dash minus 1. So where m dash is nothing but the number of member connecting to each hinge, okay. So let me solve some example, you can clearly understand. So this is fixed beam, and it have internal hinge at center or mid span. So now coming to this hinge, so this hinge connected to 2 members, so that is 1 and 2 member, okay. So that is 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. So released reactions is 1. Now we calculate released reaction for 3D structure, okay. The formula is 3 into m dash minus 1. Okay, so 3 as it is, so m dash same member connected to hinge. Okay, so this hinge also connected to 2 members, so that is 2 minus 1, so that is 1 into 3, 3, so the answer is 3. So example 2, so in the frame we have 3 hinges. Okay, the first hinge, so this is connected to 2 members, so that is 2 minus 1 plus this hinge connected to 3 members, so that is 3 minus 1, and this hinge connected to 4 members, so that is 4 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 1, and 3 minus 1 2, and 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So released reactions is 6 for this example. Okay, so now moving to calculate the ds for a beam, frame and trusses. So now we solve some problems on beam, frame and trusses. Okay, so go through first problem. So they given the frame with the fixed support. Okay, so put the values. So 3 as it is, so m is nothing but number of members. We have 1 2 and 3 members. Okay, so plus our reaction, support reaction, so this is fixed support, 3 reactions, and this is also fixed, so total 6 reactions. So minus 3 into j, j is nothing but number of joints, so 1 2 3 4, total 4 number of joints, and related reactions 0. Why? Because there is no internal hinge or any hybrid structure. So 3 3 is 9 plus 6, so 15, so minus 3 4 is 12, so therefore ds will become 3. Okay, so the answer is 3, so therefore option C is correct. So we solve same example with another formula, so that is ds equal to dsc plus dsi. So dsc, so dsc is nothing but external indeterminacy, so the formula is r minus 3. So this is for 2D structure. For 3D structure the formula will be r minus 6. Okay, r is nothing but reactions, so this is fixed, this is fixed, so total 6 reactions, so minus 3, so the answer is 3. And dsi, so the formula is 3c minus rr. Okay, so 3 into c is nothing but closed loops. In the question we don't have any closed loops, so therefore c value 0, so minus released reactions also 0, so dsi answer is 0. So we know that ds formula dsc plus dsi, so we know value of dsc 3 plus dsi 0, so therefore the answer will become ds is equal to 3, so option C is correct. So the answer is same, either you refer this formula or earlier formula. So okay, so that will left on you. So my suggestion for you, please go through this formula only. So why? Because it is very simple to calculate the ds. Problem number second, so this is also frame, so go through dsc. So the formula is r minus 3, so r is nothing but reactions, so hinge have 2 reactions, and this is also hinge and this is also hinge, so total 2 plus 2 plus 2, so total 6 reactions minus 3, so dsc will become 3. And dsi, so formula 3c minus rr, so 3 into c 0 minus released reactions, so released reaction formula will be m dash minus 1. Okay, so m dash is nothing but number of member connecting to each hinge. Okay, so this hinge connected to 2 members, so that is 2 minus 1 1, and so this hinge also connected to 2 members, so therefore this is also 1, so total dsi will become minus 2. So we know that the formula ds equal to dsc, so that is dsc 3 plus, so dsi answer minus 2, so therefore ds will become, so 3 minus 2, so 1, so the answer is 1, so option A is correct. So problem number third, so dsc, so r minus 3, so fixed support have 3 reactions, hinge 2 and roller 1, so 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 3, so the answer is 3. And dsi, so the formula 3c minus rr. Okay, 3 into c closed loops 1 and 2, so okay, 2 closed loops, so minus released reactions, no internal hinge, so therefore released reactions 0, so the answer is 2 3 is 6. Okay, so ds formula dsc plus dsi, so dsc 3 plus dsi 6, so therefore ds will become 3 plus 6 9, so the answer is 9, so option C is correct. So problem number 4, so dsc, So R minus 3, so fixed support and fixed support. So total 6 reactions. So minus 3. So the answer is 6 minus 3, 3. And SI. So 3C minus RR. So 3 into C. So closed loops, only one closed loops. So minus RR, released reactions. So one internal hinge is there. So this connected to 3 members. So that is 3 minus 1, 2. And this hinge connected to 2 members. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So the answer is 0. So therefore ds will become 3 plus 0. So the answer is, so ds equal to 3. So option D is correct. So move to next question. Question number 5. So DSC is equal to, so reactions. So fix 3 reactions and hinge 2 and ruler 1 and horizontal guided ruler. So 2 reactions. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3. So the answer is 5. And DSI. So formula 3C minus RR. So 3 into C, 0, minus released reactions also 0. So the answer is 0. So therefore ds will become, so 5 plus 0, 5. So therefore option C is correct. So question number 6. So DSC. So this is also fixed, this is also, this also. So total, so 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 reactions. So minus 3. So 6. So and DSI. So 3C. So 3 into C, 0. Closed loop 0. So minus released reactions also 0. So this becomes 0. So therefore ds equal to 6 plus 0, 6. So option B is correct. So question number 7. So DSC. So this is fixed, 3 reactions, and this is also fixed. Total 6 reactions minus 3. So the answer is 3 and DSI. So 3 into closed loops, only one closed loops. So minus related reactions are 0. Okay. So this is 3. So ds will become, so 3 plus 3, 6. So the answer is 6. So option C is correct. Question number 8. So that is DSC. So the formula R minus 3. So R is nothing but reactions. So all supports are fixed. So we know that fixed support have 3 reactions. So that is 3 4 12 reactions. So minus 3. So 12 minus 3. So that is answer is 9. And DSI. So the formula, so 3C. 3 into C, closed loops, only one closed loops. So that is 1. So minus released reactions. So here we have hinge. So this hinge connected to 2 members. So that is 2 minus 1, 1. And this also connected to 2 members. So total 1 plus 1, 2. So 2, 1. So therefore, so ds equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So option A is correct. So question number 9. So that is DSC. So formula R minus 3. So reactions. So 3, fixed support 3, and these two are hinges. So 3 plus 4, 7. So minus 3. So answer is 4. And DSI. So 3C. So C is 0. So closed loops are 0. So minus released reactions also 0. So therefore answer is 0. So therefore DSC is equal to 4 plus 0, 4. So the answer is 4. So option A is correct. So question number 10. So DSC. So our reactions. So all supports are fixed. So therefore 4 3s are 12. So minus 3. So the answer is 9. And DSI. So 3 into C value 1, 2. So 2 closed loops. So that is 2. So minus released reactions. So this hinge connected to 4 members. So therefore 4 minus 1. So that is 3. So 3 to just 6. 6 minus 3. Answer is 3. So therefore ds equal to, so 9 plus 3. So therefore the ds will become 12. So option C is correct. So now move to question number 11. So that is DSC. So this also same supports. So that is 12 minus 3. So therefore, so this is 9. And DSI equal to 3 into, so closed loops 0. So minus released reactions. So this hinge connected to 3 members. So that is 3 minus 1, so that is 2, and this is 2, so therefore 4. Okay, so DSI will become minus 4. So therefore, so DS formula will be DSC plus DSI. So DSC 9 plus DSI minus 4. So therefore the value of DS for this question is, so 9 minus 4, so that is 5. So answer is 5. So option B is correct. Question number 12. So that is DSC. So R minus 3. So R reactions 3 plus 1 plus 2. So total 6 minus 3. So the answer is 3. And move to DSI. So formula 3C minus RR. So C value 0 minus related reactions also 0. So the answer is 0. So therefore DS will become 3 plus 0, 3. So the answer is 3. So option A is correct. So question number 13. So DSC. So R minus 3. So this is 2 reactions. 1. So that is 3 plus 2. So that is 5 reactions minus 3. So answer is 2. And DSI. So DSI formula 3C minus RR. Okay, 3 into closed loops 0 minus released reaction. So this hinge connected to 2 members. So 2 minus 1, 1, and this is also 1 reactions. So total 2 reactions. Okay, so therefore DSI will become minus 2. So therefore DS equal to DSC. So that is 2 plus DSI, that is minus 2. So therefore DS will become, so 2 get cancelled, DS value will be 0. So option A is correct. So question number 14. So that is DSC. The formula R minus 3. So reactions fixed support 3. So both supports are hinge. So therefore 3 plus 2, 5. So minus 3. So the answer is 2. And DSI. So 3 into closed loops 0. So minus related reactions. So one internal hinge is there. So that is internal hinge formula will be m dash minus 1. M dash is nothing but number of member connected to hinge. So this hinge connected to 2 members. So that is 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is minus 1. So therefore DS formula DSC plus DSI. So DSC value 2. So plus DSI value minus 1. So therefore DS value become, so 2 minus 1. So that is 1. So answer is 1. So option B is correct. So the problems on beams and frames are over. So now we solve some problems on truss. So I hope you understood the problems on beam and frame. So this is the formula to calculate the DS for the structure of a trusses. So for 2D structure only. For 3D structure the formula will be m plus r minus 3j. Okay, so solve some example. So move to question number 15. Okay, so put the values. So m members. So count the members in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So total 29 members. So plus reactions. So hinge support have 2 reactions and roller 1. So total 3 reactions. So minus 2 into, so number of joints. Count the joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total 14 joints are there. Okay, so 29 plus 3. So that is 32 minus, so 2 14 are 28. So the answer is 4. So DS value will 4. So option D is correct. So question number 16. So put the values. So m members, count the members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 members. So plus reactions. So 2 plus 1. So that is 3. So minus 2 into, so number of joints. Count the joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 9 plus 3. So that is 12. So minus 2 6 are 12. So the DS value will become 0. So option A is correct. So question number 17. So put the values. So m members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 members. So plus reactions. So 2 plus 1. So that is 3. So minus 2 into number of joints. Count the joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 12 plus 3, 15. Minus 2 7 are 14. So the DS value become 1. Okay, so option B is correct. So question number 18. So put the value. So count the member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 member. So plus reactions. So this is also roller, this is also roller, and this is hinge. So total 4 reactions. So minus 2 into number of joints. Count the joints 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total. So 8 plus 4, so that is 12. So 2 5 are 10. So therefore ds value become 2. The structure will be say stable when it satisfy the external stability and internal stability conditions. So okay, now we see external stability conditions. So according to the first condition, the structure will be say stable when it have minimum 3 reactions, and the supports are non-parallel and non-concurrent and non-trivial. The trivial nothing but spring. Okay. So internal stability, when the ds value is equal to 0, then the structure will stable and determinate. When the ds value is less than 0, it is unstable, and when the ds value is greater than 0, it is indeterminate and unstable. So therefore check which condition is satisfied to our given question. So now coming to our question, so the forces are or the reactions are concurrent, so it will meet at one point, so therefore it is unstable. So option D is correct. So that is unstable and ds equal to 2. Thank you so much friends for watching the video, and please like the video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the new notification of our all video.